Welcome to Queenstown, everybody. Drive-by video. A New Zealand classic playing on stereo. So this is Queenstown. As you can see, there's quite a bit of traffic. It's quite congested. Going into Queenstown. Stunning.
Trees and building further and further up the hills. That's crazy.
Queenstown. It's not even in Queenstown yet, it's just sort of, isn't it? There's apartments here, with the traffic jam because it's one way in, one way out. Heading into there, which is where the traffic is. It's crazy. There's apartments here. Heading into Queenstown, and this is a little church here. Isn't it stunning? First time coming to Queenstown, and as you can see, it's very, very built up. It's just a crazy, crazy, expensive, very touristy town. Apartments everywhere. Very, very pricey. So the shops here. It's all very busy. Straight ahead. So as you can see, this is like the main drag. Yes, it's very, very touristy. Even McDonald's here. Ooh. Oh, there's a Lindt here. Lindt chocolate shop. There's a Starbucks here. Oh god. There's apartments here.
No, it's Novotel.
Oh no, Novotel. It's a hotel.
It was the most expensive
oh my god.
land purchase in New Zealand of all time when it was originally bought, because of the location and everything being the Novotel.
How much was that?
Oh, they paid millions for it.
Yeah. We're gonna have a walk around now, so join me as we go to Queenstown.
We're picking up the white and brown.
Right.
It's one of New Zealand's top restaurants.
Okay.
I've been there a few times over there for dinner.
Okay.
Work a couple of weeks ago. Very, very beautiful.
So Botswana Butchery is a good restaurant apparently. So this is Queenstown. We're having a walk. So there's quite a few people here today. People everywhere. So having a nice walk. So hope you enjoy all the scenery that Queenstown has to offer. Up there is the gondola. It's a lot of money to go up there, so we're not going to bother with that. But how gorgeous is this? Absolutely stunning, Queenstown. And yeah, it's a very, very busy place. And it's not even winter. It's just coming into winter, but it's still quite warm today. It's not that cold. And as you can imagine, all the top shops are here. Louis Vuitton, art galleries everywhere. Absolutely stunning. We're just heading for a walk. Jet boating. Restaurants. A private hotel. Yeah, we're gonna come back here. Toasty. Someone's not happy. So Jonathan's taking me around Queenstown. And there's restaurants everywhere. It's such an amazing vibe down here. It really is. It's very busy, very bustling. Oysters. There's a lot of stores here. Good craft stores. Oh, pork and beans. Little stalls selling all sorts of things. So there's jet boating, there's different activities. Queenstown. No, it's not Ed Sheeran playing, it's a busker. Alright, so this is the infamous Fergburger. That's the bar there. It's pretty quiet, but look at this. This is to get the burgers. So this is the burger line. As you can see, it's crazy. And there is the hot pies and pastries, so it's just queue a mile long. I can't really be bothered. Yeah, everyone's going to this place for burgers and pastries. So when you queue for the bakery, do you feel like a burger?
Oh, it's been funny.
We're in the queue for the bakery, and yeah, we're gonna sort of get a pie. What pie do you want? Look at the missing cheese. Stunning Queenstown. We've just gone for a walk into town, and I got a pie, which is absolutely lovely. And this is Queenstown from the wharf. It's simply magical. As you can tell, it's heaps and heaps busy. But yeah, this is a snapshot of Queenstown. We've come a bit further from the hustle and bustle, and this is Queenstown. Just follow the ditch. Isn't this absolutely stunning? It's just incredible. The scenery here is just beautiful, and this is where we came from, the hustle and bustle of shops and stuff. Yeah. Queenstown Marina, looking absolutely stunning. What a gorgeous day. We're heading down here for a drink. Yeah, so whenever you're part of Queenstown, before you get into the rat race, this is a lot quieter down here. So yeah. There's all these places along here, bakeries and stuff. So we're gonna go down here. Isn't that just magical? This gorgeous view, the Queenstown Marina, all the boats. The boats and things here, and there's all these restaurants. There's a bakery here. So there's heaps of wet jacket wines. It's a wine shop. Okay, dog having a walk. I love these little shops. They're all different colours. All really cute. There's a Air New Zealand flight going somewhere. So as you can see, this is not busy. It is before you come into Queenstown. We've just done a bit of a trip back. But this is little shops and things along here. This is for lease, so there's a few empty, but really cute little shops and things, and all different colours, and it was quite groovy. Must be lovely at night. Down here, we've got a lovely little wine bar there, and yeah, it's just lovely little, a lot more quieter than the Queenstown tourist trap, but I'm sure it'd be quite pricey down here as well. And this is, what's this? Little cafe? Yeah. And this is another little place. Yeah, it's a really nice little area. Got different little shops and things. A lot aren't open. There's just a few places. New development, apparently. So there's a Pilates studio in here. Pilates. That's all Pilates. Hustle and flow. There you go. Pilates. Let's go back down here again. But yeah, this comes right out here. But of course you can't get in there because you own a boat. Yeah, a beautiful place in Dunedin. Sorry, in Queenstown. Yeah, just magical. As I keep saying, if you need a holiday, you want to sort of escape from it all, totally recommend the lower South Island of New Zealand. It's just stunning. Stunning.